Hello, my name is Tina. Today we'll be showing our gratitude to Mr. Postman. He's one of the very few people who shows up to our house every day in his truck through rain, sunshine, and snowstorm to deliver our mails and packages. Stick around to see how does a pair of chopsticks plays a part in showing our gratitude to Mr. Postman. After you've made your thank you sign, use a chopstick or any stick to prop your mailbox open. It will make it easier for your postman to drop off your mails. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch this video on how to make 4 types of easy and cool secret spy messages. You will be glad that you did.